In this video, we show you how to determine the torsional backlash and replace the elastomers. For the three-part version of the coupling, please refer to the corresponding video. Ideally, you would have the tools shown ready. In order to determine the torsional backlash, turn a coupling part without torque as far as the stop. Make a mark on both halves of the coupling. Turn the coupling part in the opposite direction as far as the stop. This will cause the marks to move apart. The distance between the marks is the torsional backlash. The maximum permissible torsional backlash can be found in the table shown. Replace the elastomers when the maximum permissible torsional backlash is reached. To replace the elastomers, disengage the coupled machines. Remove the elastomers using a suitable tool, such as a screwdriver. Insert the new elastomers. The coupling can now be reassembled. Align the coupling parts using the wear indicator.